I've partnered with a reading program, a reading coordinator of our school. That is Ma'am Regine D. Nadal, the reading coordinator of our school. So kaming dalawa, nag-tie up. Ang tutulungan namin na yung pito ay at least may mapabasa man lang kami kahit hindi yung buong sentence, kahit word for word lang ang mabasa niya. Ang title ng program namin ay Reading Enhancement and Development or Project READ. Kung nakita niyo yung wordplay doon, yun, read. Kailan pa tayo mag-explain, no? So it aims to address the literacy challenges faced by the students in San Agustin Standalone Senior High School. So itong Project READ namin ay nakatuon lang sa paaralan namin. It will be implementing a multifaceted approach to reading instruction and support. This program seeks to improve reading skills, foster a love for reading, and ultimately enhance academic achievement. Isa-isahin natin. Itong multifaceted approach in reading instruction, si reading coordinator kasi, si Ma'am Regine, ay nag-attend siya ng different training na ibinaba nitong division.